I am here another day practicing how to fly FPV drone with my AVATA 2. If you let me explain a quick overview of the screen, what you see on the goggles. On the right bottom there's an N. This is a normal mode. In AVATA 2 you get 3 mode: normal, sports mode, and the manual mode. Manual mode is the one I practice on the lift-up simulator. So currently it's on manual mode. Height is 0.0 meter, distance is 1.4 meter. Battery is on the right bottom. You can see the battery 98%. There's a RC, that's a remote control signal, and SD is a video transmission signal. Currently it's showing 26 around that Mbps. That's a signal. Below 30 it's a weak signal. Usually it goes to 60. It also once I turn the drone on. And on the right bottom you can see 73%. That's the goggles battery. On the top right there's an 8 hours 9 minutes. That's the memory that can capture the space in the memory card. I can still capture 8 hours and 9 minutes. And below that, that's the goggles view. I can capture that 15 hours 19 minutes. Anyway, no more talking. Let me just show how this works. Alright, motor is started. It started recording. Since this is a normal mode, I don't have to be super focused. Alright, now let me turn into sports mode. Okay, that's the sports mode. Normal mode and sports mode is pretty much same. At sports mode, the drone is fast, but you cannot do power loop and stuff like that on normal mode and sports mode. But let me switch to manual mode. So as soon as I press the manual mode, it says manual mode on, but it hasn't turned on yet. I have to sync the right and the left. You see there's a green dot, right? On the right it's good. On the left I have to pull down my thrust and pull it till it's green. After a couple of seconds it switched to manual mode. Now I'm completely manual. I just can't let go of my controller. If I do, drone will start falling. And I'm taking nice and easy at the moment. I have lots of power, I'm not using it. Put it here. It's similar to lift-up simulator, but let me slow down a little bit. Hitting the gap and stuff like that, it's scary because in real you will crash your drone. It's not like in the lift-up simulator you just press R and it just reset. But here you can break your drone. You see how quickly the battery drains? 90%, 85 so quickly. Alright, let me see if I can do just being comfortable at this point. The signal is, you see, the Mbps, it's 20, I don't know why it's so weak today. It's usually 60. If I go above, something is wrong with the, okay, there, it's 60. Below here, yeah, it loses because of these trees and stuff. Anyway, It's not too bad even if it drops to 30, right? You see that that's a yellow warning. There. Feeling comfortable. Now I can just try to hit this gap. Ooh, love it. Let me go hit this gap. Nice. I don't want to press it. Being super careful here. But this is my practice arena. These days I started practicing every day for 30 minutes because that's the battery. 3 battery, 10 minutes per session, 30 minutes. I feel like I want to do power loop and stuff, but I'm not ready. Let me hit this gap. Right here. Bro, this is so much fun. It's scary, but it is fun. Alright, let's try some short skill. I'm gonna try to short call this tree. Okay. If you learn this skill, it might just come handy for capturing like a building footage or in sports mode it's pretty easy. On manual it's tough to put that in the center and make a circle. There, can do for a couple of seconds, but I don't want my viewers to get dizzy. Let's see what I can do. 62% already. Battery life before it drains. Oops. Almost lost the signal and crashed it. I don't want to go too far. You can go high up. Let me show you guys. Signal is still fine. Still fine. Still fine. Above, the signal will be fine. It starts dropping when you come below. Look at this view. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, let me do power. Go straight. Hit this gap. These green trees are hard to see, not like a building. Can't wait to fly my custom drone that I built myself. That's super powerful. I need to work on the speed. Yes. Oops. Oh, I lost a signal there. I have another custom drone with the DJI AVATA air unit video transmission. That range is so good, so damn good. I will definitely show you guys one day how good is AVATA air unit, the latency and everything. But DJI 2, I don't like it. Even with a couple of trees, the signal drops from 60 to like 25, 20 so quickly. That's why I don't want to take like risk. But the battery power dropped to 37, meaning I don't have like power like when the battery power is more than 40%. Usually below 40%, there's no power on the propeller even you push the thrust all the way up. Alright, one battery pack almost done. One day at a time, every single day practice, I will be pretty damn good at it. Need to work on braking. Ooh, this is fun. Alright, I'm gonna bring it back since the battery is 27%. Alright, let me put to sports mode and bring it home. Alright guys, that's all for today. I will definitely bring more practice video and try to explain more. Thank you everyone.